Injury: if nasal septum gets damaged, which cartilage is perfused for its recovery? Answer: hyaline cartilage. Explanation: during an injury, if nasal septum gets damaged, hyaline cartilage is perfused for its recovery. Nasal septum separates the left and right airways in the nose, dividing the two nostrils. It is composed primarily of hyaline cartilage, which is densely packed with collagen. Hyaline cartilage is formed lining articular surfaces, and in the nasal septum, tracheal rings, costal cartilages, and epiphyseal cartilage of growing bones. So, if the nasal septum is damaged, for its recovery, hyaline cartilage will be perfused. The living organisms can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non living things on the basis of their ability to respond to stimuli. Explanation: the living organisms can unexceptionally disguised from non-living things on the basis of their ability to respond to touch and other stimuli. A person in a coma does not respond to stimuli interaction with the environment. A person in a coma can hear things, can see things, that is, his body is interacting with the environment. Any process that results in a change in state or activity of a cell or an organism in terms of movement, secretion, enzyme production, gene expression, etc. The process begins with the detection of the stimulus and ends with a change in state or activity or the cell or organism. Nuclear envelope is the derivative of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Explanation: nuclear envelope is the derivative of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. A nuclear envelope is a double membrane covering which encloses the nucleus. It consists of lipid bilayer. This membrane is porous in nature. Due to its porous nature, it allows the movement of certain molecules like nucleic acid and proteins between the nucleus and the protoplasm, between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The nuclear membrane has two layers. Outer layer, it shares the common border with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The proteins synthesized by the ribosomes or RER are channeled through the endoplasmic reticulum to the nucleus. The outer nuclear membrane contains proteins that are present in higher concentrations than the endoplasmic reticulum. The inner layer encloses the nucleoplasm. It is covered to the outer membrane by nuclear pores. The ability to walk upright on two legs is called bipedalism. Explanation: the ability to walk upright on two legs is called bipedalism. The ability to walk upright on two legs is one of humanity's defining physical characteristics called as bipedalism. Bipedalism is a form of terrestrial locomotion where an organism moves by means of its two rearer limbs or legs. An animal or machine that usually moves in a bipedal manner is known as a biped, meaning 2 feet.